Imagine you are merging onto the highway. You step on the gas, and instead of accelerating smoothly, your engine stutters, hesitates, or feels like it is about to stall out completely. That is the terrifying reality of P062E. Imagine you are merging onto the highway. You step on the gas, and instead of accelerating smoothly, your engine stutters, hesitates, or feels like it is about to stall out completely. That is the terrifying reality of a P062E trouble code. This code is a bit technical, but stick with me. It stands for Fuel Injector Driver Circuit Performance on Bank 2. Your engine has fuel injectors that spray gas into the cylinders, but they don't just spray randomly. Your car computer, or PCM, acts like a conductor in an orchestra, telling each injector exactly when to open and for how long. It does this by grounding the circuit. When you get this code, the computer is saying, look, I tried to fire the injectors on the side of the engine we call Bank 2, but the electronic signal did not behave the way I expected. Bank 2 is simply the side of the engine that does not have cylinder number 1, so check your firing order diagram. This is a serious issue, because if the computer cannot control the fuel, you're going to have misfires, lost power, and you're dumping raw fuel where it doesn't belong, which can ruin your catalytic converters. Diagnosing this properly is tricky because the best tool for the job is an oscilloscope, which lets you see the electrical waves in real time. However, you can start with the basics. First, clear the code and see if it comes back right away. If it does, pop the hood and inspect the wiring harness for Bank 2 injector. Look for any melted wires, especially near the exhaust, or any loose connectors. If the wiring looks pristine, the problem could be the fuel injector itself having an internal electrical failure, or it could be the driver chip inside your main computer that has failed. If you have a multimeter, you can check the resistance of the injectors on Bank 2 and compare them to Bank 1. If one is way off, that is likely your culprit. But if they all test fine, you might be looking at a bad computer or a software update issue.